Find costly mistake, but depots make that increase operating expensive. What if the biggest reason your operating costs keep rising has nothing to do with fuel price, spare parts, or driver salaries? What if the real problem is hidden inside the depot every single day? After speaking with transport operator and fleet manager from different countries, we noticed something interesting. The most expensive depots are not always the biggest one. In fact, many companies are losing money because of few common mistakes that slowly increase operating expenses month after month without anyone noticing. Today, let's look at 5 costly mistakes bus depots make and how modern fleet operators are avoiding them. The first mistake is treating vehicle washing as a low priority task. Many companies focus heavily on route planning, maintenance schedules, and fleet utilization, but overlook the washing process. The result is simple. Vehicles spend too much time waiting, cleaning quality becomes inconsistent, and operational flow slows down. What appears to be a small issue often creates delays across the entire depot. The second mistake is relying too heavily on manual labor. For years, adding more workers seemed like the easiest solution whenever workload increases. But labor costs continue rising globally. Staff turnover is become more common, and managing large cleaning teams create additional complexity. Many transport companies discover too late that their role is limited by the number of people required to support daily operation. The third mistake is allowing bottlenecks to form during peak hours. This is one of the most common problems inside busy depots. Buses return at similar time, once an area becomes overloaded, vehicle light up, and schedule become compressed. Every extra minute a vehicle spent waiting in the minutes is not available for service. Multiple that across an entire fleet, and the hidden cost becomes significant. The fourth mistake is failing to build operation for future growth. Many depot systems work well when handling 20 or 30 vehicles, but what happens when the fleet double? What happens when new routes are added? What happens when demand increases? Too many companies only think about scalability after operational problems begin affecting performance. By then, the cost of solving those issues become much higher. The fifth and perhaps more overlooked mistake is accepting inconsistencies as normal. One shift cleans vehicles differently than another. Some buses leave spotless, while others still show visible dirt. Over time, inconsistent standards affect brand image, passenger perception, and operational efficiency. Companies that want to compete at a higher level understand that consistency is not optional. It is part of the customer experience. This is why leading transport companies around the world are increasingly investing in smarter depot infrastructure. They understand that efficiency creates the rules system, not efforts alone. At Go&Go, we work with transport business operating buses, coaches, and large commercial fleets that want to eliminate bottlenecks, reduce labor dependency, and create scalable operation for the future. Our auto-depot system helps transform vehicle cleaning into a fast, repeatable, and predictable process that supports long-term growth rather than slowing down. The reality is simple. Most rising operating costs do not appear overnight. They build slowly through an efficient process, repeated every day. The companies that identify and solve those problems early are usually the ones that gain the strongest competitive advantage later. If you want to discover how modern transport companies are reducing operating costs and building more efficient depot operation, contact Go&Go today. Let's explore how smarter infrastructure can help your business operate faster, cleaner, and more profitably in the year ahead.